Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to create an IMLeagues account in order to sign up for intramural sports. You're going to start off by going to www.imleagues.com. Once you arrive on the page, you're going to go into the right-hand corner and click Sign Up. From there, you're going to use the scroll bar and click Oakland University. And then you're going to fill in all of the appropriate information listed on the screen. Once you have finished that, you're going to hit Create an Account. You're going to go into your Oakland email and you're going to see this image follow up on your email. All you have to do is follow the link that is in this email to activate your account. You're then going to go back to www.imleagues.com and hit Login. You're going to type in the email that you registered with, and then click Next. Then you'll put in the password that you registered with and hit Login. This brings you to your main page. If you wish to look at what Oakland has to offer, you just go to the Oakland tab in the left-hand corner and scroll down to see everything. After you're finished looking at whatever you want to look at, you then simply return to your home screen and you go to the right tab and you hit Sign Out. Enjoy!